Aircraft technology. Welcome to an in-depth exploration of cutting-edge technologies, revolutionizing the aviation industry. Today, we will look into the projected aircraft deliveries, advancements in fuel efficiency, cabin experience, corporate and commercial aircraft technology, engine technology, long-range aircraft, and the ATC technology. Let's take a closer look at these remarkable advancements shaping the future of aviation. Projected aircraft deliveries. Boeing and Airbus, the two giants of the aerospace industry, have ambitious plans for aircraft deliveries in the coming years. Both companies are focused on meeting the increasing demand for air travel, and addressing the needs of airlines for more efficient, reliable, and sustainable aircraft. Boeing plans to deliver thousands of new aircraft over the next 2 decades, emphasizing the 737 MAX and 787 Dreamliner families. These aircraft are designed to offer superior fuel efficiency, reduced emissions, and enhanced passenger comfort. Similarly, Airbus plans significant deliveries of its A320neo and A350 XWB families, which also prioritize fuel efficiency and passenger experience. Both manufacturers are investing heavily in research and development, to ensure their aircraft meet the evolving needs of the aviation industry. Fuel efficiency. Fuel efficiency is a critical focus for the aviation industry, driven by the need to reduce operating costs and minimize environmental impact. Modern aircraft are designed with advanced aerodynamics, lightweight materials, and efficient engines to achieve significant improvements in fuel efficiency. Innovations such as winglets, which reduce drag, and composite materials, which lower aircraft weight, are essential components of fuel-efficient designs. Additionally, new engine technologies, including geared turbofan engines, and open-rotor designs, offer substantial fuel savings. Airlines are also adopting sustainable aviation fuels, SAFs, which can reduce life cycle carbon emissions by up to 80%. These advancements are crucial for achieving the industry's goals of reducing greenhouse gas emissions and achieving carbon neutrality by mid-century. Increasing attention to in-cabin experience. Passenger comfort and experience are becoming increasingly important in the competitive airline industry. Airlines are investing in various innovations to enhance the in-cabin experience, making air travel more enjoyable and comfortable for passengers. Modern aircraft feature spacious cabins, ergonomic seating, improved air quality, and advanced entertainment systems. Innovations such as larger windows, mood lighting, and quieter cabins contribute to a more pleasant flying experience. Additionally, airlines are incorporating connectivity solutions, allowing passengers to stay connected with high-speed internet and access a wide range of in-flight entertainment options. These improvements are designed to meet the diverse needs of passengers and enhance overall satisfaction. Turboprops and business aircraft. Turboprops and business aircraft play a vital role in the aviation industry, serving regional routes and providing flexible travel options for businesses. Advances in technology have significantly improved the performance, efficiency, and comfort of these aircraft. Modern turboprops, such as the ATR-72 and Bombardier Q400, offer exceptional fuel efficiency and short takeoff and landing capabilities, making them ideal for regional operations. Business aircraft, including models from Gulfstream and Bombardier, feature state-of-the-art avionics, luxurious interiors, and extended range capabilities. These advancements provide businesses with convenient and efficient travel options, ensuring they can operate globally with ease. Corporate and commercial aircraft advanced technology. Corporate and commercial aircraft continue to benefit from advancements in technology that enhance performance, efficiency, and safety. Innovations in avionics, materials, and design are transforming these aircraft into sophisticated, reliable, and environmentally friendly machines. Advanced avionics systems, including next-generation flight management systems, and enhanced vision systems, improve situational awareness and safety. The use of composite materials in aircraft structures reduces weight and increases durability, contributing to better fuel efficiency. Additionally, aerodynamic improvements, such as laminar flow wings, reduce drag and enhance performance. These technologies are essential for meeting the demands of modern aviation and ensuring the highest standards of safety and efficiency. Enhancements to small aircraft. Small aircraft, including general aviation and personal aircraft, are experiencing significant technological advancements that improve performance, safety, and accessibility. These enhancements are making flying more accessible and enjoyable for a broader range of people. Innovations in avionics, such as glass cockpits and integrated flight control systems, provide pilots with advanced tools for navigation and communication. Electric propulsion systems are also being developed, offering quieter, more environmentally friendly alternatives to traditional engines. Additionally, advancements in materials and manufacturing techniques are reducing the cost and increasing the reliability of small aircraft. These improvements are opening new possibilities for personal and recreational flying. Engine technology, high-efficiency engines. Engine technology is at the forefront of advancements in aircraft performance and efficiency. High-efficiency engines are critical for reducing fuel consumption, emissions, and operating costs. Modern engines incorporate advanced materials, aerodynamics, and cooling technologies to achieve remarkable efficiency gains. These engines offer significant reductions in fuel burn, noise, and emissions, compared to previous generations. The development of sustainable aviation fuels and hybrid electric propulsion systems enhances the environmental performance of aircraft engines. These innovations are essential for achieving the aviation industry's sustainability goals and ensuring the long-term viability of air travel. Long-range aircraft. Long-range aircraft are essential for connecting distant regions and facilitating global travel. Advances in aerodynamics, materials, and propulsion systems are enabling the development of aircraft capable of flying longer distances with greater efficiency and comfort. Aircraft such as the Boeing 787 Dreamliner and Airbus A350XWB are designed for long-haul operations, offering extended range capabilities and superior fuel efficiency. These aircraft feature advanced composite structures, optimized aerodynamics, and state-of-the-art engines, allowing them to operate on ultra-long-haul routes with reduced environmental impact. The development of next-generation long-range aircraft will continue to enhance global connectivity and support the growth of international travel. Improving technology, air traffic control. Air traffic control is a critical component of aviation safety and efficiency. Advancements in technology are transforming ATC systems, enabling more precise, efficient, and reliable management of air traffic. Modern ATC systems incorporate advanced surveillance technologies, such as Automatic Dependent Surveillance Broadcast, ADS-B, which provides real-time position data for aircraft. Satellite-based navigation systems, including the Global Navigation Satellite System, GNSS, enhance accuracy and reliability. Data link communications allow for more efficient and accurate information exchange between pilots and controllers. These technologies enable more efficient routing, reduced separation distances, and improved situational awareness, enhancing the overall safety and efficiency of air traffic management. In conclusion, the aviation industry is experiencing a remarkable transformation, driven by advanced technologies. From projected aircraft deliveries by Boeing and Airbus, to innovations in fuel efficiency, in-cabin experience, corporate and commercial aircraft technology, engine technology, long-range aircraft, and air traffic control, these advancements are shaping the future of aviation. These technologies are essential for meeting the evolving needs of the industry, enhancing performance, safety, and efficiency, and ensuring a sustainable future for air travel. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the cutting-edge technologies, revolutionizing the aircraft industry.